I've been in Foundries for about 21 years. I started out on the floor as a molder and a core maker. I went to an investment casting facility, which I took over the roles of environmental health and safety manager and foundry manager there. And then I saw that Wisconsin Aluminum was hiring a environmental health and safety manager. I decided to apply because this place has always kind of felt like home. And when I came back for my interview, they had made a lot of really good changes, and they really wanted to get kind of a world-class safety culture. And I aim to bring that and foster that with the people that I've known for the better part of 20 years. Seeing the guys out on the floor that I used to work with, some of them became managers, some of them became supervisors. And it's really nice to see that Wisconsin Aluminum is seeing the talent that got here around the same time I did and saying, hey, these guys are supervisors, these guys are managers, let's nurture them, let's build them into being the leaders that they are. So it's really good to see when I came home, I guess you could say. American Foundry Society says that metal casting is between 5,000 and 5,200 years old. Even with the invention of artificial intelligence, they're not going to do metal casting without humans. So it's always going to be here. It's always going to be around.